Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question. This is nothing but 3 divided by 3 times 3 minus 3. So try to solve by your own, okay, to feature in our shortout list. These are top commenters. If you can feature here by commenting your answer, whatever right or wrong, please comment. So what we have, 3 divided by 3 times 3 minus 3. So we will solve 3 times 3, that is equal to 1 into 3 minus 3. Now 1 times 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and 1 times 0 is equal to 0. So 0 is here right answer. Do you think this is the right way? No, this is the wrong way. So what will be the right way? I will solve with the help of PEMDAS and a stepwise method. We will write again our question, 3 divided by 3 times 3 minus 3. So here 3 operations are there: division, multiplication and subtraction. So here subtraction will be at last operation and multiplication, division have same priority like this, and in that case we have to solve from left to right. Okay, so we have to solve like this, left to the right. So first we have to solve this one, 3 divided by 3, which will be 1 as an answer. So we will write 1 times 3 minus 3. Okay, now what we get, 3 times 1, that is equal to 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 which equal to 0. So here both are the answer are zeros, but this is the right way. Okay, for every question you will solve like this and follow the PEMDAS. Okay, and if you're seniors, then must check out our description for best product to ease your life. And thanks for watching and subscribe channel for more videos like this.